Hey friends, one of my favorite days of the year has arrived, and that is the arrival of our Imprint ribbon box from Garters and more. And I thought that I would open it with you. And so we've got some new designs. We have, a lot of this is replenishments of our favorites, so you can see that, but some of them are brand new to us. So let's open it up and see what we can find in here. Let's see, it's always packaged so well. So the first thing we have, oh, this is actually a new print for us. This is the paisley, and we did it in red with silver foil on it. So let's see. Oh, this one I am so excited about. It came out last year, and I kind of put that on my for sure order next year. I think it's like wavy dots, but I'm going to love it for Garters. And this is in the number 5 braiding ribbon, and then here it is in the number 9. So I'll have to do some mums and Garters, and especially Garters, and let you see what it looks like there. Oh, this right here is just a replenishment. This is our tried and true open diamond. We love this. It goes with almost everything. I also love to combine, like I've got navy with white and a bunch of other colors, and it's fun to put that together. There is the number 5 paisley to go together. Let's see what else we have. They are finished out with their custom imprint orders for the year, but I will put their page on there so you can follow them and get an idea of when it's coming. And then for our clients, if you see a design that you really want, I would reach out to us, because remember, we only do one design per school. Softball, I actually needed some softball, and I love this. I love how unique this is. This is, speaking of, if you want something, if you have your heart set on gold quarter foil, I would definitely reach out to us. We love this. It goes with the Kindred bling that we get from our Mums Ink Buy. And so this is just a replenishment for ones that we always have. And I got this in silver as well. And then there is the open diamond one that goes with this. And if you're doing imprint for the first time and you're making maybe your list for next year, this is definitely ones I would add. They're great ones. And then, of course, who doesn't need football imprint ribbon? This is kind of a replenishment from me. Let's see. And as I told you, I like to combine my open diamond. Let's see, like you can put those together, and it's such a simple print that it doesn't take away, so I love that. I'm very excited. If you saw my video yesterday, now we get gold label pink, and what that also means is we get gold label imprint pink. I can't remember the name of this imprint, but I'm very excited. We got it in a white foil. I think it'll be very dainty. Hopefully we can see the imprint a little bit better in the number 9. Yeah, there it is in the number 9. And then this one is very cool. Cannot remember the name of it, but it is a new design for them this year, and I think it's going to be great for Garters. I also love when I'm doing gold, I try to usually a lot of times get an imprint ribbon that has a little bit less gold on it, just because gold can be kind of overpowering. And there it is in the 5. And then, oh, cascading bows. I had to replace my silver, and then we added gold this year because it was so popular. It's just a great one. And this bow, there's a lot of bow prints out there, but this is one of my favorites because it braids really well. I do have another one coming, and I'll do that video when it comes. And then last but not least, this is the Mandela print. This is actually, I love that Mums R Us does this. This is like a wholesale exclusive, and we got it in black and silver foil last year, but now we have it in navy as well, and I think I'm going to put it on my list next year for red with foil. As you can see, I'm already planning for HOCO 2027 as well. Well, I guess this Mandela print is the last of my pretties. I'm going to go put all of my imprint ribbon up. Until then, happy creating, friends. Rain, and I will see you soon.